to use, and yeah, it can be made to be flexible depending on what you need. In the case of the bag, it is very flexible. It can be made to be hard. Now, in the case of the bottled water, in the case of the bottled water and the bowl, it's harder, like a bit hard. And for roughness, do you see the curves and the shape on the bottle of the water of the on the bottle? So it was carved into different shapes. So rough was made rough, so it can be manipulated into various desired um properties that we need. Now these are examples of plastics. Do you see it?
Yeah, that's a lot.
Now
Metals
metal.
are made from rocks. The rocks are dug up and taken to factory where they're heated and processed into metal. A few things made of metal are jewelry,